Okay, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the SUMIF and SUMIFS functions in Excel. And so here we're given a data set of employees, the amount of sales they made, and the regions they're located in. Right, so for the SUMIF function, we use this when we only have one criteria to specify. So press equals, type SUMIF, and our range would be, let's say in this case, we want to calculate the amount of sales that happened in the East region, right? So our range would be the following, and our criteria would be, in quotes, East, and our sum range would be the numbers we want to sum, right? Which in this case is the values. So our sum range would always be, or would typically be the numbers or the values. So close bracket and press enter. And we get that the sum of the sales happening in the East region is 900. And if we double check, Alice is in the East, she made 600 in sales, and Charlie is in the East and he made 300 in sales. So 600 plus 300 is 900. So that's correct. Now, on the other hand, SUMIFS is used if you want to specify multiple criteria. Let's say in this case, we want to find the total amount of sales in the East region and sales that are above 500. So let's use the SUMIFS like this. And our sum range would be the sales here. Highlight that and make sure you highlight the values. This is the sum range. And our criteria range would be the first criteria we set, which in this case is we want to see sales in the East. So highlight that and in quotes, type in East. And we set up our second criteria now, which is sales greater than 500. So again, highlight the values like this and set your second criteria to be greater than 500. So like this. All right. Close bracket, press enter, and we get that the sales in the East region that are above 500 is the following number, 600, right? And that's because Alice made sales in the East region and she made 600, and Charlie also made sales in the East region. However, it is 300, right, which is lower than 500, and that's why it's not summed by the SUMIFS function. So in this case, it only returns Alice's sales. All right, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.